Next section, the kinesthetic senses. Overview. Kinesthesia is the sense which helps us detect weight, body position, or the relationship between movements in our body. Parts such as joints, muscles, and tendons. In short, it is the muscle sense. Kinesthetic is the adjective form of this word and has to do with same basic sense, the sense of body awareness. What is meant by kinesthetic sense? Kinesthesis refers to sensory input that occurs within the body. Can you define kinesthetic senses? Kinesthesis has been defined as proprioceptors or nerves which are located in your joints, tendons, and muscles that are working with the brain to let a person unconsciously know where your body parts are. They are responsible for your sixth sense called the kinesthetic sense. Nature of kinesthetic senses. The sense keeps track of body parts relative to each other, provides consistent sensory feedback of the muscles in your body are doing during movement or motion. Look at this picture. Kinesthetic senses. Visual, kinesthetic, movement, perception. Next, nature, knowing what type of body movement are we needed and how to adjust your body in situations. A process where a stimulus is received, transduced, and conducted as impulses to be interpreted by the brain. Stretch receptors within muscles with repeatedly adopting and slowly adopting components. Receptors to monitor tensions and forces at the tendons and joints. Associates with the neural signals derived from motor commands. Most sensitive areas, tongue, lips, and fingers. Pain and temperature. Pain and temperature system does not have specialized receptor organs. The changes in the body state is perceived via free nerve endings found throughout the skin, muscles, bones, and tissues. Most pain is a result of substances released by damaged tissues. Hepatic perception integrates somatosensory information. Touch mediates materials properties, texture, hardness, temperature, etc. Proprioception provides spatial and motor information. How we are recognizing body position? Three semicircular canal in inner ear, we had seen that perpendicular one another. When the body move, the fluid in the canal move. Sense of balance is perceived. Look at this picture. The enlargement at the base of the semicircular canals called the vestibular scale. Look at this semicircular canals, anterior, lateral, posterior. These organs are sensitive to change in position. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.